Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make butter cookie with the white chocolate, cranberry and cashew nut. Cookie is super popular during the holiday. They are great to bring the gathering and it's so easy to make it. This white chocolate, cranberry and cashew nut cookie has a rustic feel and the red and white speckle is so delicious and easy too. Let's get started with our ingredients. This is our ingredients is butter, sugar, egg, purpose flour, baking soda, salt, dry cranberry, cashew nut and white chocolate. For the cashew nut, we need to baking first to make it crispy. Let's give our cashew nut rough chop. I'm using the beautiful whole ones and then put onto your small chopping board and give them the rough of chop. I really want to have them. And then white chocolate, we are do the same. We are rough chop, but if you have like a white chocolate chip, you can use it too. And the last one is cranberry. All we have to prepare is all this and then let's do the dry ingredients. To the bowl, start with the 190 grams of all-purpose flour and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We are going to give this a quick whisk or stir them together. In the meantime, we need to prepare butter sugar. We are going to add 95 grams of milk and salting butter into our stand mixing. With a paddle attachment, you can definitely do this in the bowl with a hand mixer or by your hand too, if you want to. And I'm going to add sugar, then just mix it up. For the sugar, we use 65 grams of sugar. And now let's add 1 egg in room temperature and then a teaspoon of vanilla. Continue to mix it up. Now dump in that flour mixer and I will mix it until almost combined. And this is my cookie dough has come together. That is perfect like this. And then add all topping of the 100 gram cranberry, 100 gram cashew nut, 30 gram white chocolate. And for this, just a second. If you are ever mixing cookie dough by hand, don't use a spatula because it's difficult to flip them up. I'm going to preheat my oven to 170 degrees Celsius while I scoop the cookie onto the baking sheet. So I just use a tablespoon for scooping. For this recipe, I will make like 28 pieces or 30 pieces of the cookie. And then press with the fork. And put in my oven to 170 Celsius. Once the oven is ready, I will bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Let them cool completely before serving or sharing them with your friends. And see how everyone loves it. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time. Bye.